In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a remittance advice in Xero. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Purchases up top and you want to click on Bills. Now, when you are on the Bills page, here you will have to find and open a fully or partially paid bill. So I'm going to go to Paid over here and I'm just going to open this first one over here, okay? So I'm going to click on it, and then when you open it up, you want to click on the payment link. Now, you can find this down here towards the bottom right where it says Payment, and you want to click on the amount or payment over here, and this is going to open up a transaction like that. And from here you want to click on options, and you have two options. You could click on send remittance, or you can click on view remittance in PDF. Okay, so if you want to view it, it's going to look like this. You can select the branding you would like to apply. So for example, here I'm going to do standard on branded, and I'm going to click on OK. Now this is going to prepare it to print, and of course over here it's going to give you the remittance. You can open it up, and there we go, here it is. You can then print it if you want to. Of course, you could also click over here and then click on send remittance, and then from here you'll be able to send it just like this. Okay, so that's how to create it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.